Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making an atomic bread that has a fairly long shelf life. It consists of just a few ingredients. It is very easy and quick to make. The Power Bread is super healthy and will keep you fit and energized throughout the day. If you feel like it, then let's go. I pour 500 ml of lukewarm water into a measuring cup. I dissolve a packet of dried yeast and lukewarm water and stir it a little with a whisk. Once this is done, leave the yeast to rest for a while. Now take a bowl and add the ingredients one by one. 380 grams of whole wheat flour, 100 grams ground linseed, 80 grams pumpkin seeds, 80 grams of sunflower seeds, 80 grams sesame seed, and last but not least, salt as desired. Doesn't that look wonderful? Now we add the yeast and stir it with love. While I'm stirring it, I can tell you a little about what's in the power seeds. Rich in unsaturated fatty acid vitamin B1, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, as well as magnesium, iron, zinc, and selenium, and much more. Now we cover the whole thing with foil so that the moisture is not lost and put the bowl in a quiet and warm place for 60 minutes. Give yourself a little rest. Let's take a look after 60 minutes. The dough has risen very well, so we give it another quick stir. The glasses are cylindrical so that the bread can come out better after baking. Now I put the bowl with the dough to one side and grease the jars with oil. This makes it easier for the bread to rise and prevents it from drying out on the walls so quickly. Now divide the dough into portions and carefully fill the jars about half full. Now clean up the leftovers and leave the dough to rest for another 20 minutes. During this time, I set the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and fan. After the 20 minutes, the dough has risen again very nicely. I brush the oil over the top again with a brush, and then it's time for the oven. Now it's time to put my feet up again and relax for 45 minutes. This is what it looks like after 45 minutes. A nice brown crust has formed, and the whole pastry has also darkened. But watch out, the jars are very hot. Now I disinfect the seals and close the jars. This creates a vacuum, and the bread can be kept for up to 12 months. Enjoy the time. Now I turn the glasses upside down so that the bread can come away from the glass better. I leave the jars to cool a little. You can actually store the jars now. I'll open a jar with you after one has cooled down. Are you excited? Me too. So let's open a jar. Great. Listen to the crust crack. It's nice and soft inside. Do you know how I like it best? Very fresh with just butter. Really delicious. Share with me how your breed turned out. I hope you enjoy making it, and I'll see you in the next great video. Your Melly. Bye-bye.